Wall Street and Main Street are both doing the Trump dance, and that's the subject of the riff. So small businesses and middle American families all doing the Trump dance. That's right. Take a look at some whopping confidence numbers hot off the press today. Small business confidence registered its largest one-month gain in the 39-year monthly history of the survey, soaring after the election. Middle-class working folks who expect their financial situation to be better off a year from now jumped to its highest reading since February 2020. That was just before the pandemic, and that according to a New York Fed survey. On top of all that, even big business starting to do the Trump dance. The Business Roundtable published their quarterly survey today based on responses from the CEOs of 156 firms, mostly the largest in the country, and their confidence index jumped to the highest level in 2.5 years. 6-month expectations of sales and capital spending and employment all improved. Guess what? Seems like folks are looking forward to lower taxes and regulations. Guarantee you, consumers are hoping for a $2 a gallon of gasoline. You can bet the small business are anticipating a permanent extension to that $199A 20% deduction for pass-through companies, which, by the way, make up a huge portion of overall American businesses and jobs. You can also bet that middle American working folks will be very happy with tax-free cash tips and tax-free overtime to fatten their wallets. Seniors would also like a break from that double tax they've been paying on their lifelong savings and earnings. It's all right there inside President Donald Trump's campaign. And folks are hanging on every word to see about the progress he's making to keep his promises. Let's not forget the Trump stock market rally, which might have something to do with a tax cut to 15% for corporations, something that would be very healthy for profits and real worker wages. And then there's the Scott Bessent bond market rally, where hopes are high that the Doge brothers, Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy, will do their part in chopping down the size and scope of government, cutting spending, and ending not only regulations, but ending the regulatory agencies themselves. The combination of 3% or better economic growth, a meaningful decline in the budget deficit to 3% of GDP from 7% currently, and an additional 3 million barrels a day of oil production that will lower energy prices throughout the economy. This is Mr. Bessent's 3-3-3 formula. It's become very popular on Wall Street. And Mr. Trump's pledge to lower taxes and regulations has become very popular on Main Street and Wall Street. Now, the trick is to get it all done as soon as possible. Promises made, promises kept, Mr. President. That's the riff.